For the better than one I do, man. People tired of one, man. Anyway, see one next video I go on here with this man come out. Me not even know if he say if a man or a young boy or a who. Me don't know if he call him. But me see him a talk about Christopher Martin a fish. And Christopher Martin have Panama type of thing. But look here.
Yes, but come back again for you, Christopher Martin. Christopher Martin, yeah, you are a big deal. Move your blood clot. You are a Batman. Cause remember, they catch you on Pinkwall a soccer hood. They catch you on Pinkwall, Christopher Martin a soccer hood. I remember, Christopher Martin, the man hood where you suck. The man come from Panama, and the man lead the video. Christopher Martin, you see, and look at my phone, I'm going to find the video with your sock hood, I'm going to post it up, Christopher Martin. Because them see up and pink what a sock hood, and I take a back as. Christopher Martin, you're a fish, you know? You're a fish. You're a blood